Suppose we would like to download data, financial data, from a website related to a particular stock. We go to, let's say, yahoo.com. And then if you look at the left side, you see a link for finance. Let's use that link. And then it takes you to finance section of Yahoo, which you would be able to see what's happening to different market index. As you see S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Nasdaq over there. And then you like to, let's say, try to download data for one of the stock. Let's say we want to download it for CVS. And then when I go to that one and try to get that one, you see the information about this stock for today. It says the price is 103.87 and it's down point 0.3 or 30 cents. And now, if you need a historical price for that, you click on historical prices and you have to specify the time frame. Let's say I need it for February 1st to February 14, 2015, and let's say to February 15. And you need a daily one. So I said get prices. So it's going to go through its database and retrieve the information. And right away you see it went to January 30 because apparently February 1st is a weekend. And also it stopped at February 13 because I think February 14 was Saturday. Um, Now, if I want to download these, one of my option would be go here and say download it to spreadsheet. Another option always also would be try to copy and paste these. So let me go with the a better option, which is download to spreadsheet. And now you see that I would be able to open it with Microsoft Excel or save it. So let me open it with Microsoft Excel. Downloading, and right away the data is downloaded in my on my computer. Right now I have it. Let me try to clean it up a little bit. Let me get rid of these three columns and get four column in the middle, and I delete them. And now I just have an opening, closing, and I have a date. And one more thing I always do, I like the data would be from the beginning of the time up to the end. So let me sort this out. And right now you can see that February 2nd is on the top and February 13 is on the bottom. And right now I emphasize that I have to save it as Excel because the file is not in Excel format right now. If you look at the file type, it's a CSV file. So right now I have to change that to Excel file, and usually I can go and do it as Excel. The latest version is this one, XLSX, or if you have a previous one, you can save it as Excel 97 2003 workbook. So let me use the first one and try to save it in the right place. So I'm gonna go and save it under a directory for this course and give a name. Remember the also, another thing is if the data analysis is not active. So let me deactivate what I have first so I can show you how to reactivate or activate it. Um, Now, usually the typical Excel, when you go to the data, you don't see data analysis there as on the right upper corner. So in order to activate that, you go to File, you go to Options, and then you go to Add In, choose the first one, Analyst Toolpack, and say Go. And by marking this one, you activate the data analysis. So if you now look carefully here, you see it's going to become active. Now the data analysis is active. I hope you follow my direction. And if there is any issue, please let me know.